Welcome to our channel. Confidence. It's that elusive quality we all strive for, yet so many of us find it slipping through our fingers. Today, we're going to uncover the habits that might be silently chipping away at your self-assurance without you even realizing it. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the digital age we live in. Constantly comparing yourself to others on social media can be detrimental. Those highlight reels you see, they're just that, highlights. They don't reflect the full picture, yet we compare our lives to them, feeling inadequate. This habit can erode your confidence, making you believe you're not living up to an unrealistic standard. Next, the way you talk to yourself matters. Negative self-talk is insidious. Phrases like, "I'm not good enough," "I can't do this," or "I look terrible," can become a self-fulfilling prophecy. The brain believes what it hears repeatedly. When you continually feed it negative thoughts, your confidence takes a hit. Isolation is another silent confidence killer. When you withdraw from social interactions, whether out of fear of judgment or feeling like you don't belong, you miss out on the positive reinforcement and connection that can boost your self-esteem. Humans are social creatures. We thrive on connection and support from others. Procrastination might seem like a harmless habit, but it can severely impact your confidence. Constantly putting off tasks can lead to feelings of failure and self-doubt. Each missed deadline or unfinished project reinforces the belief that you're not capable, slowly eating away at your self-worth. Giving up too easily is another habit that undermines confidence. When faced with a challenge, if your first instinct is to quit, you never get the chance to prove to yourself what you're capable of. Perseverance builds confidence. Each small victory reinforces the belief that you can overcome obstacles. Perfectionism might seem like a positive trait, but it can be paralyzing. The constant striving for flawlessness sets an unattainable standard. When perfection is the goal, any mistake feels like a failure and your confidence takes a hit. Remember, perfection is an illusion. Strive for progress, not perfection. Lastly, people-pleasing can drain your confidence. Always saying yes to others, even when it's at your own expense, teaches you to value others' needs over your own. Over time, this habit can make you feel undervalued and resentful, diminishing your sense of self-worth. Awareness is the first step to change. By recognizing these habits, you can begin to take control and rebuild your confidence. Remember, confidence isn't about never feeling doubt. It's about embracing your worth despite it. You have the power to change these habits, one step at a time. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might need a confidence boost. Until next time, take care of yourself and remember, you are enough.